Master the preposition at with dates and times. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting aspect of English grammar, using the preposition at for specific times. This is an essential skill for expressing time accurately in English. Let's dive in and master the usage of at with dates and times. At is one of the most common prepositions in English. It's a tiny word, but it plays a crucial role in conveying meaning. Specifically, we use at to denote a specific time. Whether you're talking about the time you wake up, your lunchtime, or when your favorite TV show starts, at comes in handy. Let's take a closer look. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. The meeting starts at 2 p.m. My favorite TV show starts at 9 p.m. In all of these examples, at is used to indicate a precise time of day. In addition to specific hours, at can also be used with some general parts of the day, like at night, at noon, at midnight, and at sunset. For instance, the stars are visible at night. The sun is at its highest point at noon. Everything was eerily quiet at midnight. The sky changes color at sunset. Notice how at helps specify the time when these events occur. Although at is used for specific times and some parts of the day, there are exceptions where we don't use at. These are mostly with more general expressions of time such as in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. We also use on for specific days and dates, and in for months, years, and seasons. Incorrect usage. I will meet you at Monday. She was born at 1980. Correct usage. I will meet you on Monday. She was born in 1980. Always remember these exceptions to avoid common mistakes. And there you have it. That wraps up our discussion about using the preposition at with specific times. Remember, while at is a small word, it plays a significant role in English, especially when talking about time. Practice using at correctly to enhance your English language skills. As always, keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!